Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back for all you allergen people out there. All right, this is all the people out there that suffer from those allergies. Check this out. Look at that. I just found a 1200 filtration level filter by 3M. Look at the color of this bad boy. You know, listen, I don't get excited very often, but I do when it comes to the health of my ears, eyes, nose, throat, all that good stuff. Okay. All right. So look at the state of this right here. Okay, it's time. All right. This is when you look at your the color of your actual filter and you say, okay, it's no longer white. It's turning brown, black. It's time to get it out of there, man. So I've had some problems with my AC. My AC unit crashed last night, and as you can see, look at that. Look how just nasty and disgusting that is. I'm gonna get some bleach later on and do a nice cleaning of this, man. It just needs to be cleaned out. I don't want that water sitting there soaking up, turning nasty. Have to get a towel and do that, but hey, look at that. It's been freezing, so it's been frozen. It's finally thawed out. It's 77 degrees inside of here right now, but you guys didn't come here for that. You came here for this bad, beautiful boy. Look at this. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, when I found this, man, inside of Walmart, I said, yo, you know what? Let's do it. And price-wise, you're looking at $13.88 compared to the $8.88 for the lower model. I think it was the 800 or 900. So looking pretty good. All right, so let's find that airflow. There you go. And then that's it, man. So you see it, airflow, and then you put it against there, and then that's it, guys. We're gonna install this real quick, and then we'll be good to go. And just look at that. Look at the difference. You got that. You got that. This, that, and that. Right, man. Fits in there perfectly. Woohoo! Look at that. All right, hey guys, make sure, man, whenever you're installing your filter, I mean, obviously, I think we know this already, but you know, make sure that you're pointing towards the blower motor, man. But check this out. Let's get this focused in for you guys. Look at that, man. These are all the different things that they can protect against, and they make it really easy to find the one that you're looking for. All right, so this is why I grabbed it, because I'm allergic to everything. I'm allergic to the lint, the household dust, dust mite, mold, spores, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and this is my neighbors, man. That's what they're doing right now. Smog, all that. Anybody coughs and they sneeze, any kind of debris left out, dude, this is gonna be the greatest experience, man. I cannot wait till my AC gets fixed so I can give you guys an update. But as you can tell, I mean, I'm even I'm real sniffy and stuffed up right now, so look at that, man. Just amazing, amazing, amazing stuff, man. But yeah, that's it, guys. We're out of here, man. I hope you enjoyed that video, man, and share some of your allergy experiences and stories, man, in the comments below, man. I'll join you guys there later, and that's it, man. We're out of here. Oh, wow. Before I leave, man, I want to show you guys this, too. This is what I always do whenever I get a new filter. I try to write that date on there, all right? So we know that when we get to the next month, and then we know when we get to the next month that it's time to change. All right, so this is what I always do with mine. And then you got the change filter on there, guys. Every 3 months. If you want the best, I guess, experience, the best life experience, the best living experience inside of your house or wherever you live, apartment, whatever, you want to do that, okay? Change it out every 3 months. That's it, right here.